Seeing iTunes can't connect to iPhone, an unknown error occurred? Let's diagnose why it happens and fix it in minutes. Part 1. Why error occurs. This error usually stems from corrupted USB handshake, outdated software, permission conflicts, driver failures. Part 2. Basic fixes. Try these first. Update iTunes. Install the latest iOS update via Wi-Fi. Restart your computer and iPhone. Open Task Manager, force quit Apple mobile device service, then restart iTunes. If the error still haunts you, deeper system issues are likely at play. Part 3. Advanced fix with MagFone iOS system recovery. Choose standard repair, which will not cause data loss. Click download to fetch the firmware. Click start standard repair to rebuild iOS permissions and drivers. Wait about 5 minutes. Once done, reconnect your iPhone. Test backups or updates immediately. Part 4. Software fix with iTunes or Finder Restore. Note, this method erases all data, so back up your device beforehand. Launch iTunes or Finder on macOS, and put your iPhone into recovery mode. Choose Restore iPhone to reinstall iOS.